Pee-wee is sleepy, guys. But he peeks out every so often to talk to me. See him? Look, there he goes. But when he's sleepy, as you can see, he gets under the blanket. That's his sleepy sound. He's letting me know he's sleepy. But he's so nosy that he has to know where my whereabouts is at all times. See, he heard me walking towards him. So he gets under the blanket by himself. And that's where and that's where he goes to sleep when he's sleepy. Pee-wee, you have to take a bath, buddy. You're sleepy, buddy. Get your eyes. You want to take a bath? Oh, you want to hold Mommy's hand? That's how Pee-wee holds my hand. He holds a finger. Aww. I love you, P. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yesterday was your birthday, buddy. Yeah. We still celebrating. Yeah. Special. Yeah, now you're holding 2 fingers. Okay. You're going to fall asleep holding on to me, so at least you know that I'm not moving anywhere. Show your face. Show your face. Show your face, silly. You're being silly. You don't want them to see how sleepy you are. You're a sleepy monkey. You're sleepy. You're so cute, P. Look at your face. You're cute, buddy. Come on, let's take your bath. No? Sleep? Okay.